Waste control specialists recently hosted a delegation of United States congressmen led by Texas Representative Michael Conaway, whose congressional district includes Andrews County. The U.S. representatives and several staffers were there to get a first-hand look at the low-level waste disposal facilities operated by WCS. They also wanted an opportunity to see firsthand the site of the proposed consolidated interim storage facility for spent nuclear fuel that WCS is seeking to license through the Nuclear Regulatory Commission. WCS President Rod Baltzer provided the congressional visitors an update on that license application and then led a tour through the facilities. Waste Control Specialists operates the only private facility that is currently licensed to treat, store, and dispose of Class A, B, and C low-level radioactive waste, as well as mixed waste, greater than Class C waste, and uranium byproducts.
This is an outside the beltway solution. We keep talking about, this has been a private-public partnership as we've gone through low level in Texas. We think it's worked out really well, and it's something we'd like to duplicate and do for high level. We think there could be another success here. We've teamed with Areva and NAC. Both of them have dry cast storage systems that are at these shutdown nuclear power plants. Both of them are well known in the industry. One's horizontal and one's vertical, so it provides a wide range of different technology that's available. We would get a license for 40 years and then renewals for 20 years thereafter. Now, we talk about this as interim storage, but we've also told the community this is a long-term project. We think that fuel would be here from 60 to 100 years. It's waiting on a permanent repository. Once that permanent repository is available, DOE's estimated that you could ship approximately 3,000 metric tons a year to it. So depending on how much we take, it'll take a while to unload this as well. The scope of this project, that's 40,000 metric tons. There's already 70,000 metric tons produced. Another 2,000 tons a year get produced by nuclear power plants just changing out their fuel. So this is not for the entire inventory. This is not replacing Yucca Mountain. This is an interim solution that'll help alleviate particularly shutdown sites. There's 10 of those. They spend about $6.5 million a year on licenses and security. If you combine those, obviously that's about $65 million, and that would be stuff that doesn't have to come through the judgment fund. You could do that and consolidate it right here. We'll be ready by 2020. I'm not sure DOE and their transportation will be ready by 2020. And so this is something where, particularly as we've talked to Congressman Conaway about legislation, we need legislation to happen pretty quick so we can give the right signals to DOE that this is actually going to happen and they need to get transportation started on a fast track. That's the same transportation it's going to take to get it to Yucca Mountain. And then DOE has started some of the transportation studies, but we want to make sure that they can commence and actually start shipments in roughly December 2020 timeframe. It's a high quality license application. We'll construct a state-of-the-art centralized interim storage facility. This is, everything we do out here is robust. It's brand new, state-of-the-art. That's what we plan to do on this one as well. And then safe, environmental friendly, compliant operations.
Community representatives from the Andrews Chamber of Commerce, the Andrews Industrial Foundation, and the Texas State Soil and Water Conservation Board were also on hand for the briefing. They expressed their gratitude to Congressman Conaway for his willingness to work on the necessary federal policy changes that need to be implemented for the interim storage proposal to move forward.